Hello, beloveds. Boy, do I have some power coming through for you guys today to help with the transmutation and the healing process. These energies coming in are literally not screwing around. We are excavating what no longer serves, and your triggers are rising. Wounds from the past are rising. Triggers from your relationships of the past. All of this is coming to the surface, okay? And today we're going to use something different. My shamanic aspects are coming through to help support you embody the energy of the tiger. We are going to work with that tiger medicine today because the tiger sees the emotional disturbances and what is causing you disharmony. And he cuts to the chase. He goes right for it so that we can work through what is really causing you to be off balance on a cellular level. So the sound that we use today is going to literally rattle your cells and shake out the emotions that are stored in your cellular network. And this is multidimensional. Lots of healing. The healing is occurring in the body. Everything that you're feeling is stored in the body. Okay? It's stored here. So we're just going to start this practice. And I invite you to close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable seated position. We're going to just bring in the energies. So get yourself acclimated. Set the intention to heal and transform. Set the intention to embody the energy of the tiger and to receive this healing on the deepest cellular level. Ho! Ho! I invite you to use your voice with me. We're going to take a deep breath in and then say, ho! Deep breath in. Ho! 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 Beautiful. Give it power. Ho! 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 Use the power of your voice. Ho! 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 Removing stagnation by using the power in your voice. Don't just sit and watch this. Do this. Ho! 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 Beautiful. Bring your awareness to your toes. Take a deep breath in. Huh! Huh! Follow me and use your voice. Huh! Beautiful. Huh! Removing stagnation. Huh! 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 Use your voice. Huh! Huh! Keep going. Huh! The more you use your voice, the more you clear. Huh! Huh. Beautiful. Bringing your awareness to your throat center. We're going to hum together to open up the center of your throat. Lots of trauma stored around the throat center. Hum with me. There's no right or wrong way of doing this. Simply hum. Beautiful. Creating the space to go deeper. But it requires your participation. To play your body like a divine instrument. To harmonize your body through the power of your own voice. Ho! Together. Ho! 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 Together. Ho! 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 Doesn't matter what you sound like. Ho! 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 Last one. Ho! Beautiful. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. All right. Now I invite you to move your fingers like so. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Huh! Another deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Huh! Keep moving those fingers. Beautiful. Grounding those hands on top of the knees. I now invite you to receive this sound journey laying down. We just wanted to prepare and open the body. So what we were doing was creating space by using the power of your voice. You can move the energy in your body and get it, all that stagnation releasing. So now when this sound current comes in that I'm about to offer you, it's really going to amplify the healing process. So get yourself into a comfortable position lying down. Allow the body to fully melt. Just allow the muscles to relax. The back body to fully release. The muscles in the abdominal center to release. The chest muscles to release. The muscles in your neck to release. Allowing the whole body to release. Picturing the muscles releasing from your head to your toes, the muscles in your face. Just feel that release happening. And feel the energy of the tiger coming in. A beautiful golden tiger with black stripes coming into your space. And now you become that tiger. Your toes are now the paws of a tiger. Feel your body transforming into this courageous, fierce animal with strength and willpower and stamina to conquer any obstacles, to heal, to transform. Bring your awareness to the belly and feel it as the belly rising of a tiger. Your hands are the paws of a tiger. The tongue of the tiger, the sharp teeth, the whiskers, the eyes. It is all you. Purifying. Gunde enama ena. Gunde ana enama ena. Gunde enam enama ena. Gunde enam enama ena. Inde e han ne han de han ho he yama hum he yama hum de a e am a he nama he Hunige, hunige, hinige, hinige, hunige, hinige, ha, hinige, hinige, hum, hinige, hinige, ha, hinige, hinige, hum, hinige, hinige, hum, hinige, hinige, hum. Guneva, 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 guneva. Guneva, guneva, ha, guneva, guneva, ha, guneva, guneva, ha, guneva, guneva, ha, Gina, Gusha, Gina, Gona, Gina, Gona. Bringing your awareness to your heart. The heart of a tiger. The breath of a tiger. The eyes of a tiger. The paws and toes of a tiger. The hair and stripes of a tiger. The stillness, the sharpness, the fierce ability of a tiger. Throat center clearing, activating, removing trauma. Heart center opening, clearing, removing trauma. Seeing the Ankh symbol in your heart. Ankh, 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 Ankh. Beautiful. Still visualizing that Ankh in the heart space. Shoulder girdle opens, collarbones clench, chest muscles release. Beautiful. I am worthy. I am love. I am grace. Together affirm. I am worthy. I am love. I am grace. So we program ourselves with love, worth, and grace. We communicate with our body now. I am worthy. I am love. I am grace. Programming cells. I am worthy. I am love. I am grace, creating harmony within your body. Affirm, I am worthy. I am love. I am grace. If you're not already laying down, please do so for the rest of this transmission. Itake na enama. Itake a nanama. Itake na nanama. Itake na. Bringing your awareness to your toes. Affirm. I am grounded. I am rooted in love. I am grounded. I am rooted in love. Beautiful. Creating a harmonious balance within the vessel. You program yourselves with these affirmations. I am love. I am worthy. I am grace. Beautiful. We're going to bring our awareness now to the belly. Visualizing golden light in the belly. So many programs releasing, cleansing, cutting cords to energies that no longer serve you from your solar plexus. I accept my body. I am beautiful. I am love. I accept my body. I am beautiful. I am love. I accept my body. Affirm, I am beautiful. I am love. I accept my body. Now these energies will be working up your spine, from the base of your spine to the crown of your head. As we reprogram the nervous system to be rooted in love. We heal within our bodies. I harmonize my mind, body, and soul. 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 And it is done. Be here in this moment with these energies. Bringing your awareness to your heart. Filling your heart with golden light. Feeling the golden light come into the heart space as we fill the body with light to transmute all that no longer serves. Allow white doves to slowly come in and around you. Use your imagination as they weave in beautiful holy energies and help lift all that no longer serves you. Feel the unraveling of the distortions as they leave your body, and holy light brightens within you. Your spirit fully illuminates within you. Feeling this white glorious light brightening in the toes, the tops of the foot, the soles of the feet. Purification of the energy centers in the foot. Purification. Let this white light purify your mind, body, and soul, creating harmony within your infrastructure, the spine, balancing, rewiring. Enjoy this subtle massage of energies as you bring your awareness to the space between the brows and the energies wash over you, gently massaging, calming you, centering you. In this space, it is safe to fully release. just sit a little longer with these energies. Allow them to do what they need to do. Allow every cell and molecule of your body to reestablish new frequencies, a healthy, youthful, vibrant, harmonious resonance throughout your body. Amwande kinaka se kinaka kinama. The Holy Father, the Holy Mother, the Holy Spirit is all within you. And beautiful as we unravel all that is not for your highest good. Hama Sena. And it is complete. It is fully complete. Allow yourself to really bathe in this frequency and allow it to integrate. Your body is a divine temple, a holy temple. You are spirit in this body. Allow your soul to fully shine and brighten and illuminate your vessel. Feel into the radiance of your true beingness. Beautiful. So throughout the day, I invite you to visualize yourselves filled now with golden light, plump golden light, as it finally, just seals everything and you really hold this vibration, really anchor this light. Drink lots of water. When you're feeling off, get in the shower or take a salt bath. Water is so cleansing and healing at this time. So light a candle, take a long bath, or just get in the shower and just cleanse and go back to your affirmations. I am love. I am harmony. I am beautiful. I am in divine flow. I am grace. I am healing. And be gentle with yourself. This is really, really powerful. And I thank you for being on here. Thank you. I don't really have much words for this. This was, I have to integrate this myself too. So, wow. So honored to serve you guys. And please share your experience in the comments. And have a beautiful, beautiful now. Thank you.